We're having a mystery unboxing here. I have no clue what's exactly in it. I just know that it is high elves. And we are now going to see what's in it. Let's begin. Okay. It's more than one figure, that's for sure. Hello! Let's just get everything out. Woo. I think that's about it. Okay, so we have some basing materials, some trees, some hedges, and a lot of stuff. I don't know if you can see everything here. It's it's a chaos. So if the boxes here are in the indication, we have high elf chariot. We have high elf phoenix guard. We have drage. We have a dragon. More chariot. More high elf archer regiment. And high elf warriors regiment. And silver helms regiment. Warriors regiment. Warriors regiment. Silver helm regiment. And high elf silver helms regiment. And more. You have a ballista, high elf shadow warriors, and a lot of random stuff. All right, so it's a lot. It's look at all those screws. It's hard to get the feel for everything, how much of everything it is. I don't know if I have the whole dragon, and that's kind of a shame. It would be really cool to have a dragon. Yeah, but anyways, it's a lot of stuff and it was free, so that's awesome. We have hedges here and some trees and a truckload of elves, and some of them I've never seen these scopes, so I really like them, how they look. So it's going to be really nice to make wine guard kits out of this, and some movement trays if we are going to play Kings of War. They're going to be handy. All right, holy shit. Just yeah, it's insane. It's it's amazing. Yeah. All right, so what can I say? It's amazing little haul here we got. It's amazing. Yeah, so we are going to get good use of this, for sure. What more to say? It's amazing. All right, hey, hope.